మనకు రియల్ హీరోలు ఎందరో ఉన్నారు, కానీ దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్న రియల్ హీరో మాత్రం ఒకే ఒక్కరు. ఆయనే సోనూ సూద్. అపరధారకర్ణుడిగా పేరు తెచ్చుకుంటున్న ఆయనతో ఈ దీపావళి సందర్భంగా ముచ్చటిద్దాం. ఎన్టీవీ కోసం ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా సోనూ సూద్ గారితో ఇప్పుడు మన ఇంటర్వ్యూ కొనసాగుతుంది. హాయ్ సోనీజీ.
Namaskar, sir.
ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైం.
Of course. Always a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much.
సోనీజీ, మిమ్మల్ని మాత్రం లాక్డౌన్ టాప్ రేంజ్లో తీసుకెళ్ళి కూర్చోబెట్టింది. దాని మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటి అసలు?
During the lockdown, I felt there are a lot of people in problem. You know, everyone, whether food, education, employment, no homes. So there were two ways to think about it. Either you sit at your house and you say, so sad, everything is going on so sad. So you talk about it, or you put it in your social media, okay, we are very sad, this thing. Or you come out of your house and try to help. When I came out, I never thought it's going to be so big. My intention was to just help people, and slowly that trust factor started growing. People from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari to everywhere, people started connecting, help us. So now I knew that responsibility on my shoulders that I have to help them, and I went, and I think their blessings, their prayers helped me reach.
ఓకే, అసలు మీకు ఈ థాట్ ఒకరికి హెల్ప్ చేయాలనే థాట్ ఎలా వచ్చింది? ఎందుకు కలిగింది మీకు? మిమ్మల్ని ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసిన అంశం ఏంటి మెయిన్ అసలు?
My mother and father were very, great people. They used to do a lot of charity, a lot of, food distribution, free education, a lot of things in Punjab. And my mother always used to tell me that you are successful only when you go out and help some needy. That is success. Always remember.
Okay.
And when during Corona, I saw so many people, they wanted to go back to their homes, they wanted food. So I couldn't sleep, that night. I said, I have to go out. I just helped. I remember there are 350 people who were going to Karnataka by foot. Small children, 10 days, 20 days, 2 months, 1 year types, they had in their hands and they were walking.
Oh, okay.
So I was distributing food, fruits on the highway, and they said, can you give us fruits for 10 days? So I asked, why you need for 10 days? They said, we are walking to Karnataka. And I said, no, you have to wait and I will get you the permissions. And I went to the police station, I went to all the offices, and I got the permission for 350 people. And I spoke everyone in Karnataka also. So that first permission of 350 people motivated me to help other people, and this is how the whole journey started. But during Corona, the whole world is having problems. Everyone is having problems. You, me, everyone. So we needed more helping hands to come out and help. So I think that's why maybe in Corona people noticed more.
అంటే మీరు చేసిన ఈ హెల్ప్లో అంటే కామన్గా ఎనీ పొలిటికల్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్తో అరే వీడు బాగా హైప్ వచ్చేస్తుంది అని అట్లా కాంట్రవర్సీ అన్న మీకు మీ దృష్టికి ఏమైనా వచ్చిందా?
I know.
అంటే గుడ్ వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు స్టాప్ ఉంటుంది కదా కొంచెం అట్లా
When
అనుకోవడానికి.
I was offered political offers 10 years ago. Every time election happens, whichever state they ask me, so no, are you interested? I said no, I'm not interested. I am as an actor, I want to do it. When I read in one book, when you are out to do something good in life, people will always point out, oh, he has some political ambitions, he has some reasons, that's why he's doing it. So most of the people leave that thing. They said, I'm doing good, and the people are pointing fingers at me, I don't want to do good. So some people cross that thing, and they come forward and they still keep on doing it. Still people will point fingers at you. But when you don't think about them and you keep on doing work, slowly those people who are pointing fingers, they'll be silent and they will also follow your path. So I knew that people will point fingers, I'm not bothered, and now the same people are trying to follow that path. So I'm happy about it.
మీరు అసలు నీడ్ పీపుల్స్ని ఎవరు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు, ఎలా సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు?
I was very active on Twitter. So Twitter, most of the people don't use it, this migrants, and they don't know about Twitter. There are various platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I had a toll-free number also. I gave a toll-free number that call anytime, any help, I'll be there. So Twitter was a very active platform where I was very active. So everyone knew any problem, they will put it on Twitter. For example, I am a migrant living in Telangana. I don't have a Twitter account. So I don't know how to operate Twitter. I don't know how a smartphone works. So I will go to you. I said, sir, please, Sonu Sood is helping somewhere. This is my phone number. Just put it on a Twitter and send it to you. So out of goodwill, you will write, Sonu, this is so and so person, Nageshwar Rao, sitting in some kind of a problem. Just help if you see it. So if that thing comes in my account, I will call that number and I'll try to help. And so this is how the whole thing went big.
మీ హెల్ప్కి ట్విట్టర్ బాగా ఉపయోగపడిందంటారా?
Twitter really helped me a lot, and it taught me that social media is not just about putting what t-shirt you are wearing, what new shoes you are wearing. It's about reaching the hearts of people. If you want to go out and help someone, God will find a way to help. And if you don't want to help anyone, even if a person comes at your door, you can say, no, he's not there. So it's like that. Today also so many people will have fake accounts.
At the rate of Sonu Sood.
So it's a lot of things, and my managers and all these people, they'll have their accounts also. They call them. I remember this one person called someone and he posed as my manager and he asked for 750 rupees from that poor guy. So somehow they messaged me, sir, someone is messaging. I called that guy.
Okay.
I said, what is your name? He said, my name is Ganesh. I said, are you asking money? No, sir, I'm not. I said, I'm Sonu Sood calling. And he became totally silent that, Sonu Sood himself is calling. I said, don't do this, because even if you take 700 rupees, 1000 from a poor guy, for him, that 1000 rupees is very big. He needs help. To get that help, he's giving you 1000 and you take that 1000. Imagine what he'll be feeling. If you don't have money, I will send you money. What you want to continue cheating people, or you want to do something good in life? He said, I want to do something good in life. I said, come to Bombay. I'll give you a good job where you can earn respect, earn money. So he was very sorry. No, sorry, sir, I won't do it again. So he was feeling sorry. So my point is, everyone is trying to earn money through shortcuts, which is wrong.
ఓకే, అంటే పూర్ పీపుల్స్ ఎట్లా మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు సోనీజీ? మెయిన్ థింగ్
I never give money to them. I will always give money to the hospitals or to the institutes or to the schools or to the colleges. So if someone asks me, okay, I'm very poor, I don't have this thing to treat, I said, send me the reports. I'll get the reports. I'll send it to the hospital. Hospital will check, okay, this guy needs kidney transplant, liver transplant, leg surgery, hip transplant, eye surgery. So they said, this is surgery. I said, okay, can you go to this hospital at this so and so time? Yes, sir, I can go. He'll go to the hospital. A treatment will be done. Then I'll deposit the money directly to the hospital account. I won't give them 1 rupee also. Because otherwise everyone will say, oh yeah, I'm very needy and all. Someone, sir, I'm very poor, I don't have college fees to pay, send me your college account. So I'll directly talk to the principal, to the owners, ask the account, this is the fees for this guy. So this is how we do it. I'm making a platform called Ilaj India. So Ilaj India is like treatment of India, you have to do it. So I've spoken to almost 40,000 doctors. So I've asked them to do one surgery free of cost every month for me. Okay.
Yeah, recently so many surgeries
Yeah,
doing that now.
doing it, huh? But now we are paying a lot, but that's my ultimate goal. So I'm making that, it's in the testing stages. So if one surgery someone does for free of cost, and you have 40,000 doctors, in one chart we have doctors, in one we'll have all the patients. So patient, someone sitting in UP, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra will put, okay, I need a knee replacement, I need a hip replacement, some kind of way, with the reports will put it. So we'll map it, okay, this is Dr. Sonu Sood somewhere in Bombay. So we will map them and they said, okay, you can come on this date and get the surgery done. So if 40,000 doctors are there, even half the doctors do their surgeries 1 month. So 20,000 surgeries happening in 1 month. That means almost 700 surgeries will happen every day. Yeah, it will be an automated. Other day I was shooting in Ramoji Rao, a small kid, Harshvardhan, came, he had a liver transplant. Mother wants to give liver to her. I'm shooting here for 3 days. Yesterday one cancer patient came, one heart patient came, one kidney patient came. So I'm just coordinating I'm speaking to all the doctors, hospitals, and every single day some new problem comes. So I'm just trying to sort that out. There are so many junior artists,
Yes.
lightmen, spot boys, generator guys. So they know that Sonu is there, who will help others. So they'll call their people who are needy, friends or some relatives. Okay, Sonu Sood is shooting with us, come. So they come with their reports, and they come with the hope that their problem will be sorted. It's a huge challenge. It's a very big challenge, but so far I think God has been kind on me. that God guides me to do it right, and we have saved so many lives. Yes, you know, on my set also, in this movie set, our manager, production controllers, we did couple of surgeries for them, heart surgeries in Bombay. We've done almost 3 to 4 surgeries there. Today, one guy I was shooting in for the same movie. Last schedule, I was shooting one guy. He was working multinational company. He had a very major heart problem. So today the surgery is going on as we are talking now. So I mean, whoever comes, you know, I don't see that, you know, which religion, which branch or which department he is. I try to help them. The demand is very high, and the supply is very less. All hospitals can't take, with poor people, they are sitting outside the hospital, they are not getting admissions. They don't have money to do the tests, they don't have anything, they don't know where the surgeries can be done. So many uneducated people, tribal areas, Naxalite areas, all these people, they don't know anything about it. How to go, they don't have money to travel to the city also. We pay them the money, we make them travel, we make them travel by flight also. We do the best hospitals, from Ambani's to Wadias to Tata Hospital to best of hospitals, we do surgeries and all. So people who are getting surgeries done very good, who are not getting, we try to help them.
అంటే గవర్నమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి పేదవాళ్ళని ఆదుకోవడం కోసం. ప్రతి గవర్నమెంట్ వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చే వాళ్ళకి పేదల కోసం సపరేట్ ఫండ్ పెట్టి అన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అవి జరగట్లేదంటారా మీ ఉద్దేశ ప్రకారం అన్ని చోట్ల?
So they must be doing their bit, whoever must be doing it, but there are a lot of layers and problems that comes. Sometimes someone doesn't have that white card, some yellow card, Aadhaar card, yellow card. I only got to know after I got into it.
Okay.
Arey, they need this card and all. Arey, you don't have that card, okay, you have to do surgeries. So I'm telling you, a small surgery, if someone goes to the hospital, 30,000 you need to do the corona test and any ECG. Even if we are doing it, they don't have that money also. Where will they get 30,000 to do a corona test and an ECG? They don't have it. So they are coming, they don't have any place to stay. We make them stay in Bombay. We book them a place. Every day they go to the hospitals, get the surgeries. It's a very, I would say, very difficult job, but I think prayers of all the people are helping me.
అంటే మీరు చేసిన ఇంతవరకు చేసిన సేవా కార్యక్రమాల్లో హెల్ప్ నేచర్లో మీ ది బెస్ట్, ఇది 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 నేను ఇంతలా ఉంటుందని మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా లైఫ్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూస్తారా? ఇట్లా ఈ సంఘటన మీకు బాగా మెమరీగా ఉండేవి?
Many memories. Every day we create some memories, you know. Like I tell, there's one guy, Harshvardhan, who came on the sets when I was shooting in Ramujra Film City. Liver transplant. Mother was giving liver to the son. And I was standing there, and suddenly parents came and they held my feet and they started crying. I don't know where they came from. And I said, wait, you know, what's the problem? And said, you know, our son will die in a month's time if you don't do surgery, and it's very expensive, we don't have money, you know. I said, okay, don't worry, I will help. And now 3 days ago that boy was discharged from Apollo Hospital, and he sent me a video that, you know, I'm very happy sir, you saved my life and thank you so much. And that one smile is worth 1,000 crore movies. You do 100 crore, 200, 300, 500 crore movies, they don't give you happiness. But one life when you save, that is the biggest happiness.
10 years before Sonu Sood separate, as of now Sonu separate. After 10 years, what is the Sonu Sood?
I don't know. I'm still learning. I'm still doing my bit. I have no plans. My plan is this thing, what I'm doing, I'm enjoying. I have to keep on doing it. It's growing every day, bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. So I hope that I keep on doing it. God gives me strength to do it, and I save more lives.
మీరు చేస్తున్న సేవా కార్యక్రమంలో మీ ఫాదర్ అండ్ మదర్ అండ్ యువర్ వైఫ్ ఆల్సో, హౌ ఇస్ ద రెస్పాండింగ్?
My wife is very supportive, and she knows that I'm very passionate about it. I don't have my mother and father; they are no more. But I know what they taught me as a kid. That's what I'm doing, and wherever they are, they must be feeling proud that what we taught our son, he's doing something good in life.
చాలామంది బిగ్ పర్సన్స్ లాగా ఫండింగ్ 25 lakhs డొనేషన్, 25 crores డొనేషను అట్లా చేయకుండా మీరే డైరెక్ట్గా వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళని డైరెక్ట్ మీట్ అయ్యి, ఈ కరోనా టైంలో ఇంట్లోంచి కూడా బయటకు రాని చాలామంది వీఐపీలు ఉంటే మీరు మాత్రం రోడ్ల మీద తిరిగి వలస కార్మికుల కోసం చేసి ఫ్లైట్లు అరేంజ్ చేసి, ట్రైన్లు సపరేట్గా బస్సులు అరేంజ్ చేసి ఇవన్నీ మీరు చేశారు కదా, అప్పుడు ఇంట్లో ఏం అబ్జెక్షన్ పెట్టలేదు మిమ్మల్ని?
It was very difficult to go on roads. When you can't go out and get fruits also from the market, how can you go out and help 7.5 lakh people? There are people every day, thousands of people used to come under my house because they knew that Sonu Sood is sending them homes. It was very difficult. I wanted to feel their pain. For 20 hours I used to be on the roads with them, eating, making them food, eat, stay, everything. And whole Bombay I was getting connected with. I remember there was one day in which cyclone was coming to Bombay, Nisarga. There under almost 400 people from Assam were under waiting under a bridge, Lokmanya Tilak Terminus bridge, and they tweeted that please save us. I sent buses, I sent fruits, food, made them eat, got them in the buses, made them stay for 3-4 days, booked a special flight and sent all of them. So I wanted to hold their hands and tell them, I am with you. I would have given money and I would have left on others, but there was a need of one person to come out, hold their hands and tell them, I am with you and I will help you reach back to your loved ones.
సోను సూద్ ఇలా చారిటీ ఇంకా ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఇలా కొనసాగించాలనుకుంటున్నారు? అంటే కరోనా ఆల్రెడీ కొంచెం బెటర్, లిటిల్ బిట్ బెటర్, బట్ మీరు చేసే సేవా కార్యక్రమాలు ఇంకా ఎక్కువైపోయినాయి, కానీ ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఇలా కొనసాగించుకుంటారు?
It's growing bigger every day. Problem was, first also people had problems, poor people, education, everything. But after Corona, problems multiplied. Now after Corona is getting a little relaxed, people are getting back to their jobs and all. But still there are a lot of needy people. And also lot of people have responsibility on my shoulders. They feel, oh, Sonu Sood is there now, okay, we'll do it. Now also people come on the set, they said, hey, Sonu is there now, he will do it. That faith on you as a person gives you that power to help them.
ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో ఎట్లాంటి హెల్ప్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్గా మామూలుగా?
We have given 2,000 scholarships. 2,000 scholarships in BTech, computer science, MBBS, agriculture, hotel management, hospitality, artificial intelligence, flying, IAS, IPS, IRS, all UPSC exams, NEET, everything. I have every day now, as I was talking to you now, still I was going through that thing only, the list of people who have joined it. My mother was a professor, Professor Saroj Sood. She always used to tell, if you want to give it to someone, or if you want to help someone, educate one person in the family. If one person gets educated, the whole generation changes. So educate them. I'm happy that I'm able to educate 2,000 just now in few months.
మీరు చేసే సేవా కార్యక్రమాల్లో చారిటీ షోస్ చూసి ఎవరిని ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి ఐ విల్ డొనేట్ crores of rupees, lakhs of rupees, anybody see asking you?
But a lot of people say that we feel that you're doing right. We feel you're genuine. What can we do? What can we do? I said, I don't want any donation. You give it directly to that
Not
hospital.
single rupee.
No. I said directly to that hospital. Someone wanted me to honor with an award. I said, I don't want an award. If you want to honor me, do a surgery for me. Hospital of your choice. Do an education for me. Institute of your choice. Pay directly to the... She said, this is a very big thing. I said, when I have a trophy in my room, I have many trophies lying there. They don't value for me. I don't want to add another trophy in my room. But when I see your trophy, I should say, because of this trophy, I could save someone's life. So I say, pay directly to Apollo, pay directly to KM, pay whichever hospital you want. Give me one surgery free of cost.
అట్లా ఈ కరోనా టైంలో లాస్ట్ 5-6 monthsలో ఎనీబడి ఈస్ డూయింగ్ దట్?
Yes, many people. Many people. I put the condition, otherwise I won't. Someone wants to come me for a webinar to motivate people. I said, I'm not coming. First, do something good so that I talk about that. What will I talk in webinar? I'll talk about, oh, you should come for the society, work together, do something good. I'm not interested. I'm interested in talking about what we did. Help someone. I'll come in the webinar, I'll talk, okay, I'm coming to this webinar because all of you saved someone's life. That's what I want to talk about. And they feel very nice. They said, yeah, this is right. And if you can't do it, I can't motivate you because you are not alive for me. You are a dead person. So that's why. So everyone, a lot of people did it.
మిమ్మల్ని ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా తీసుకుని సో మెనీ పీపుల్ ఈస్ కమింగ్, హౌ డు ఫీల్?
I feel very nice. I feel there was one gentleman sitting, he said, it's like a movement. First time people have experienced a movement across the country. In the world, people are talking about it, that one person is there who is helping in employment, who is helping in education, who is helping in medical, everywhere is helping. So it's kind of a movement which has inspired a lot of people. And yes, still to inspire a lot. Two sons, they are very happy, they feel very proud. And I asked them, you also have to do good. They said, no, daddy, we will do it. So I feel the way I have learned from my parents, they must have learned something from
వాట్ ఇస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్?
one has just completed his 12th. He'll go to for the next education. One is in 6th standard.
అంటే మనం ఏదైనా మంచి పని చేస్తే అడ్డుపడే వాళ్ళు చాలామంది ఉంటారు సార్, చాలామంది ఉంటారు ఇన్ ఇన్ అగ్రెసివ్. సో బట్ మీరు మాత్రం చేసేది పొలిటికల్గా ఎనీ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఇన్ స్టాపింగ్ యువర్ వర్క్స్?
No. There are a lot of people who pointed fingers. Why are you doing it? This is doing it. Arey, he's to that party, he's that party. They try to demotivate you also. But nothing happened. I was not influenced by any party. I am not interested in any party. I don't want to speak about it. My job is, if I was attached to any party, I would have need to ask them, okay, can I do this? Can I help this? Can I start this movement? I am here, I am not answerable to anyone. If I think about now, I want to do this tomorrow, I will do it.
ఆర్ యూ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ పొలిటికల్?
I have nothing against political. Now I am not, because as an actor I want to do a lot of things. But one day, maybe after 5 years, maybe after 10 years, I don't know when. But if someday will come, if I get into it, I promise to change many lives.
అంటే మీరు రాజకీయాల్లోకి రావడం వల్ల ఇవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే మీరు ఏమంటారు?
No, I'm not interested in politics. That's what I'm saying. If I was interested, I would have done politics 10 years ago only. Now also, every election, you name election, you name a state. Whenever they happen, they always call, are you keen to do it? Let's do it. You have in you to make a good politician. But I'm not interested. I'm more interested in facing a camera, to do my acting, to do more name as an actor. Maybe after 5-10 years, who knows? A lot of people have asked me. Many chief ministers have. I know them personally. They have asked, Sonu, you are good. You should do it. So I said, no, sir. I'm good here in my space. I enjoy my space. Now I'm not interested. Let's see in future.
మీరు చేసిన వర్క్స్లో ది బెస్ట్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఎవరిచ్చారు మీకు?
The best compliment I get is when I see my parents' paintings drawn, and they say, we thank your mother for giving us Sonu Sood in this life. So I think that's my best compliment, and she must be feeling proud.
అంటే 1 or 2 హెల్ప్ చేసిన తర్వాత మిమ్మల్ని బాగా ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసి ఇంకా ఎక్కువ చేయాలి, ఇంకా చేయకూడదు, అది మీకు ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? ఆ కసి ఎట్లా వచ్చింది మీకు?
I think every day I get inspired. I get inspired seeing you also. I get inspired people on the sets also. When they come and say thank you to you, they inspire me. They inspire me that I'm doing something right. When I sit in my car, my driver says, sir, thank you so much. You are doing good for the society. That inspires me.
అంటే మీ నేమ్తో ఆల్రెడీ సో మెనీ పర్సన్స్ ఈజ్ ప్లేయింగ్ దట్, అండ్ యూ స్టాచ్యూ ఆల్సో వన్ మ్యారేజ్ సంథింగ్. హౌ డు ఫీల్?
You feel very nice. That's what I say. With so much of love, it makes you nervous and it gives you more responsibility.
రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. అంటే యూజ్ అంటే మీరు సినిమాల్లోనూ దేంట్లోనూ ఎక్కడ సంపాదించుకోలేని, పొలిటికల్ కానీ సినిమా కానీ ఎక్కడ సంపాదించాలని అభిమానాన్ని మీరు సంపాదించుకున్నారు ఇప్పుడు ఈ 6-7 నెలల్లో. దానికి మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు?
It feels very nice. Like I said, no 100 crore movie, no 500 crore film can give you this happiness. The smile of someone, some family, poor family living in different states you have never met. I gave tractor to Nageshwara and Chittoor. I haven't met him in my life. I haven't, I don't know when I'll see him. But I know that I changed few lives in that village. I promised him, I asked him that whenever other people need their tractor, help them in their fields. So I know that I must have changed the thought process of many people in the village. So that's my process. Every day that the duas, the wishes, the prayers that I get from people, I think that makes me more stronger.
ఉన్నవాడి దగ్గర నుంచి కొట్టు, లేనివాడికి పెట్టు అనేది ఏమన్నా మీరు ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు? అంటే బిగ్ పర్సన్స్ డూయింగ్ దట్ మనీ ఇన్కమ్, పూర్ పీపుల్.
Which is good, no? Which is good. I signed so many brands. I always tell them, okay, pay me less money, but let's help other people. If I sign a light brand, I said I don't want money less. I'll say let's light 20 villages. Let's paint 20 villages. I'll tell to a paint brand. To a farmer brand, I said we'll give fertilizers to the whole villages free of cost. That's my remuneration. Okay, if I'm charging 1 rupee, you pay 2 rupees in charity to those people. So that is my remuneration.
అంటే మీరు వచ్చింది ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది మిమ్మల్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేసింది సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీ, మెయిన్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ అమౌంట్లు చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది. మూవీస్ కూడా మీరు ఎక్కువ రెమ్యునేషన్ 5 times పెంచేశారు ఒకసారి, కానీ అందరూ కొంచెం డిస్కషన్ జరుగుతుంది. దాని గురించి మీరు ఏమంటారు? అంటే మీరు ప్రైవేట్ యాడ్స్ చేసుకుని కోర్స్ ఆఫ్ రూపీస్ తీసుకుని పేదవాళ్ళకి పంపించబడితే ఓకే, ఇది కూడా సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో కూడా ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ కూడా సఫరింగ్.
No, I'm with the producers. They are all my friends. They say, Sonu, yaar, we don't have money. We have less money. Okay, sir, I'll do the movie for you. Don't worry. But you have to offer me good roles now. You have to offer me roles that I want to do now. So, which is, I'm sure, I'm getting, and I'm getting what I wanted in my life. And yeah, money is not important.
ఫస్ట్ టైం మెగాస్టార్ చిరంజీవి గారితో ఆచార్య మూవీలో వాట్ ఇస్ ద క్యారెక్టర్?
No, it's very special. We have shot one schedule. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I've got different looks in the movie. So I'm pretty excited. Now another 10-15 days again we'll start the next schedule, and I'm looking forward meeting.
మూవీస్ ఏ మూవీ చేస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఇన్ తెలుగు?
Telugu only this one I'm doing Aludu Others and Chiranjeevi's film Acharya, that's it.
అండ్ తమిళ్?
Tamil no, I'm doing Hindi Prithviraj.
ఓ
Me and Akshay Kumar for Yash Raj Films.
ఓకే.
That is almost complete. And there is 2 home productions I'm starting in Hindi.
అంటే మీకు ఇంత క్రేజ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అభినేతల్లో మీరు లీడ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇలా ఆ టైప్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటారా? ఫర్దర్ ఫ్యూచర్లో ఎలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీరు చూస్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
I don't know. I want to do something special and different. Just don't want to be busy that, I am on the sets, shooting some movie, doing this and that. I just want to enjoy on sets, doing different roles. Creatively as an actor, it should satisfy me, that's it.
ఆర్ యూ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ ఆల్సో?
I'm Hindi, I'm doing it. Hindi, I'm producing, yes. Tollywood is my first love, I always tell. My Bollywood people, I told Tollywood is my first love.
ఫస్ట్లో
Yeah. Yeah, I've left so many movies in Hindi because of my Bollywood. And my Bollywood producer says, why are you leaving Bollywood movies for Tollywood? Because I enjoy here. This is where I've learned the craft. I will keep on doing it.
చాలామంది ఇక్కడ తెలుగు సీనియర్ ఆర్టిస్టులు బాలీవుడ్ నుంచి పిక్ చేసుకుని ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళకి లాంగ్వేజ్ రాదు, డైలాగ్ చెప్పడం రాదు, ఇవన్నీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బట్ మాకు ఇక్కడ వేషాలు లేకుండా పోతున్నాయి వాళ్ళు రావడం వల్ల అని అట్లా ఫీల్ అవుతుంటే మీరు ఏం చెప్తారు దానికి?
Sir, India is one. Cinema and creativeness doesn't have any language. Language only is entertainment. Who will say, okay, now people will say, okay, I'm shooting film in Film Nagar. I'm from Film Nagar, so I should have only artists from Film Nagar. Why should I have from Banjara Hills or Jubilee Hills or from Gachibowli? So my artist should always be Film Nagar. It's not about Film Nagar, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, Telangana, Andhra, Bombay, Punjab. Artist is an artist. And only language of cinema is entertainment. Doesn't really matter. People from here can go to Bollywood and work, Bollywood can come here and work, and all. We are doing it. It was done always years back. Cameramen from south, so many from south go there. Art directors, dancers, so many people go. So it doesn't really matter. It's good to learn. I learn when I come here. People will learn when they go there. So it doesn't really matter.
మీరు ఇంకా ఎంతోమందికి హెల్ప్ చేయాలి, హెల్పింగ్ నేచర్తో ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Yeah, so just thank you so much, and want to wish all the viewers a happy Diwali, a happy New Year, and stay blessed.